guys, welcome back. Happy holidays. In today's video I'm going to show you this look, which is a very warm Christmassy holiday look, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy it and please keep on watching. First, I'm gonna apply some eyeshadow primer so my eyeshadow will stay in place for hours. Then I'm using my Morphe M124 brush, and I'm gonna pick up this red color from my Huda Beauty palette. Then I'm gonna apply this all over my lid. So I'm gonna apply a little powder under my eyes because I'm using darker colors. So in case I'm having some fallouts, I can easily dust away the fallout. Now I'm picking up a small blending brush and grab the same color again and kind of fade the edges of the eyeshadow. Then I like to use something with a flat edge and extend the outer corners a little. And then I'm gonna grab my Morphe 3502 palette, and I'm using the red shade right here to make my eyeshadow look more vibrant. Now going back to my Huda palette, I'm using this color right here, and I'm gonna extend this towards my brow and kind of blend everything together. Okay, now I can dust away the powder. Now I'm doing a liner with Kat Von D tattoo liner. And now I'm applying Lily lashes that I cut them in half and made them like a side lash. Now I'm using this darker cocoa shade from this palette, and I'm gonna use this on my outer V. Now I'm using the same colors for my bottom lash line. And now with the brown pencil liner, I'm just gonna lightly darken up my waterline. Now I'm gonna apply some mascara. And the last step, I'm gonna grab some highlighter and I'm gonna apply it on the inner corners and also under my brows. Okay, that is it for today's holiday Christmassy look, guys. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you learned something. And please make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on my next video.